Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Spice Connection. These are the grocery boxes that you see that have just arrived. I have taken the veggies out, cleaned them nicely, and I have let them dry on a kitchen towel. Today I'm going to share with you how I have organized my messed up fridge. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is how my fridge looked before I decided to rearrange it. So I have been thinking from the longest time of rearranging my fridge, but after procrastinating for quite some time, today I finally decided to finish this task and I'm going to share it with all of you how I did it. I have emptied the fridge as you can see. I'm also going to take out the fridge liners and you can see I have taken out the drawers. They needed a little bit of cleaning. I will clean those with soapy water and I'm going to show you how I clean the inside trays and shelves of the fridge. To clean the trays and the shelves, I have taken this all-purpose cleaner. This cleaner can also be used for fridge as it's mentioned on the bottle. Do not use any all-purpose cleaner because that will leave a smell inside. You can also use soapy water to clean the trays and the shelves on the side. And I'm using a cloth. You can definitely use a kitchen towel. The drawers weren't that messy and dirty, so I'm going to use very little of the spray and just wipe it with the towel. The fridge is clean now. I have also wiped down the little stains that were there on the liners. I'm now going to place the liners in each shelf and also the shelves on the sides. The liners that I'm using in the fridge, I have ordered them from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. And this brown liner on the side shelf that you are seeing is leftover from the kitchen cabinet liners. Putting these drawers back was a task. I'm putting liner in the drawers as well. This turntable is definitely one of my most favorite pick from Amazon for this refrigerator. I'm going to share the link in the description box for this one. This will definitely make my life easier of finding that ketchup bottle or the vanilla essence or that jam bottle. I also store my dry fruits in fridge as you can see because it gives them a longer lifespan. I keep the milk jars on the side shelves, although in this refrigerator it's a little difficult to take out that milk jar, but it's fine and it's manageable. These are again the storage containers that I have got from Amazon. These come in various pack sizes. I have got 8 of these, 4 big and 4 small. I'm going to share the link in the description box. They are super easy to handle. Just store in your veggies or your fruits or your jam bottles or anything you want to keep and put it in the refrigerator, and they're easy to pull out and take things out from these. These are again the plastic storage containers I had got from Amazon. If you want, I can share the link of this as well. They are super good and they come in various sizes. This is how I store some of the veggies. This is how I store the leafy greens. I wash them and dry them completely and then take an airtight container, line it with a kitchen roll or a newspaper, place the greens and again cover it with a kitchen roll and then cover the lid of the container. Take the stem out of the green chilies and store them in an airtight container. Here I am keeping my condensed milk can, some leftover chocolate chips, a little of the jam that was left from the other bottle, all the food colors that I use, all the essences that I use. These are all the miscellaneous items that I have put in 2 different containers. This is how I have arranged my fridge with all the storage drawers and the bottles and the dry fruits. I have stored all the soft veggies in the veggie drawer. It keeps the veggies good for a longer period of time, and in the other drawer I have kept the fruits. This is how I have used the other shelves for the other items. I have cleaned the fridge from outside with a stainless steel cleaner, and I have also arranged the drawers, which you will see further. They did not need much of a cleaning, so I did not make a video of it because otherwise this video would have gone really long and I didn't want to make it boring. So this is how my fridge looks now. You have seen what a mess it was and what it looks now. You can definitely use these tips and tricks to arrange the refrigerator and keep it clean and nice and make it easy for you for your day-to-day life. If you have loved my video, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to write to me in the comments how you liked it or if you have any questions. See you guys on my next video again. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.